Before you build your website with Mobirise, stop right there, because most people assume all website builders are similar. The surprising truth is that Mobirise is offline, drag and drop, and simple, but it's not cloud-based, which may affect your workflow. Mobirise lets you create responsive websites by dragging blocks and customizing content without coding. You won't believe what happens next when users see how fast they can build professional-looking pages with pre-designed templates and extensions for e-commerce, forms, and galleries. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume offline builders are restrictive. Mobirise lets you export sites and host them anywhere, giving flexibility, but requiring you to manage hosting and updates manually. Getting started is easy. Download Mobirise for Windows or Mac. Choose a template, drag, and drop blocks, and customize text, images, and buttons. Once finished, you can publish the site to your preferred hosting provider. The upside is simplicity and speed. Beginners can create websites quickly, customize templates, and manage extensions. It's free for personal use, and paid extensions unlock additional features like shopping carts for premium themes. The downside is offline nature and limited collaboration. Teams can't work on the site in real time unless files are shared manually. Compared to cloud builders, updates and backups rely on the user. The surprising truth about Mobirise is that it's perfect for individuals or small businesses who want a fast, code-free website with full control over hosting, but teams or agencies may find it limiting. If this honest review helped you understand Mobirise, subscribe for more website builder reviews and tips.